Hi, a very warm welcome to PT Tutorials Azath Group. My name is Pawan and I'm here again to share another success story of one of our client, Azath Mohamad. Congratulations, Azath.
Thank you, Van. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well because I achieved my desired score.
Amazing. Congratulations. So
Yeah, thank you
yes,
very much.
Azath was looking for 65 plus, but then he has got in listening 68, in reading 67, in speaking 87, and in writing 65. Amazing
Yeah,
scores. He has achieved his 65 plus scores in first attempt. So congratulations once again.
yeah, thank you very much.
All right, Azath, I would like you to please introduce yourself to our viewers.
Yeah, I'm Azad. I live in Sydney. The purpose of giving PT exam is for my permanent residency. Um, yeah.
Okay. And can you just share like how the coaching works? Share your
Yeah,
coaching experience.
actually, I did once the PT exam before. Um, Actually, I thought that as I have been living in Australia for 3 years and I know how to speak English very well, I'd be able to achieve my score. So I just downloaded some question bank and asked some tips from the people who got 90 each. But I couldn't still achieve the desired score. Then I just got in contact with Pawan from Aussie's group, and then they introduced me to Miss Rashmi. So she just taught me all the stuffs that how can you achieve your desired score.
Very good. And we are very happy, to help someone to achieve their dream so that they are able to get their perfect score, what they're
Yeah,
looking for.
yeah,
All the best.
yeah.
Also, can you just share like how Telegram activities work? Like you have mentioned, you have downloaded the prediction file and all.
Yeah, can I also say something to the students who are looking to get this exam?
Sure, you can.
Yeah, actually, PT doesn't mean that if you are speaking English very well or you got good score in your high school, you can achieve. Because I blindly thought that I was living in Australia for 3 years, so I'd be able to get that very easily. No, it doesn't mean about your English proficiency or doesn't mean you have good memory power. It is just about the techniques, how to beat the computer. So you guys taught me how to beat the computer and what are the techniques. It is all about knowing the technique, how to beat the computer. Not about English or not about the people who already achieved 90 or not about you have any question bank or nothing. I'm 100% sure that it doesn't work. It's only about the techniques and the tips and the hard works that can only be achieved from professional institutes like you. That's it. I can say to the students who are looking to get the PTE. So Rashmi Miss actually helped me. Actually, I couldn't even believe I achieved the desired score in 3 days. It's just in 3 days. It was like a magic. She told me that what are the tips, what are the tricks, and how to beat the computer. That's it. So
That's
actually, it's
amazing. Glad to hear
yeah,
that.
yeah, actually, it was really helpful for me. So when I said to my friends that I achieved my desired score in 3 days, they didn't believe. Then what I did, then I showed the conversation, the stored conversation in the website. Then only they believed me. Yeah. So it's all about yeah, it's all about knowing the techniques, how to beat the computer, and how to use your English knowledge according to the computer. That's it. So it can be only achieved from a professional institutes like you. That's what I can only say. And I really
See, we are
recommend.
very glad to help someone to achieve their dreams, right?
Yeah,
And
that's right.
yes, to all those aspirants who are looking forward to clear this PT exam, he is the perfect role model, perfect example, right?
Yeah,
You actually need to get a proper techniques to work
that's right.
over your
Yeah,
skills, to improve your skills, so you can
yeah,
able to achieve your desired score. English, knowing
yeah.
English, speaking English doesn't matter.
Doesn't
How
matter.
to
Doesn't
use
matter.
English
Yeah,
in proper way, that only matters.
yeah,
This
yeah.
person is a perfect example of it, and we congratulate you, Azad.
Yeah,
Thank you
and
so
also
much.
I really need to thank Rashmi Miss for the guidance, who gave the magic in 3 days. Actually, it is about learning the magic from you guys. If people can learn the magic from you guys, then they can beat the PTE. That's it, I can say.
Yeah, definitely. All our
Yeah,
tutors, Rashmi ma'am,
yeah,
and Shruti ma'am and Maulik sir, all are committed towards success of their students. And we are
yes,
glad that Rashmi ma'am had helped you so very well that you are able
yeah.
to achieve it. We are very much happy on that part. Yes, can you just tell us like what will be one success mantra or one thing, right, which had uh, made a turnaround.
Actually, it is like I said before, that the people who wanna do the PTE, they just look at the people who have got the magic skills. So if you can find the people who have the magic with them, then they can beat the PTE easily. Like I found. It's actually, it was like I didn't just expect that I would be contact in with you, because I was living in Sydney. There are lots of colleges. They are saying they can make you achieve 90. They can make you 80 or something, but they never teach the actual technique. So I only just applied the techniques learned from Rashmi Miss. In 3 days, I got my desired skill. And I can also say one thing: once I finished the PT, I was 100% sure that I would get the results. And Rashmi Miss told me that you will get this result, and exactly I got the results.
Amazing. Thank you so
Yeah,
much for sharing your wonderful experience
yeah.
with
Thank you.
our tutor and with her, support staff. We are
Yeah,
very glad, to help you to achieve your desired score. And
yeah,
one last thing, would like
yeah.
to ask you, like, what would be your recommendations?
Yeah, recommendation means I can say everyone that don't just blindly follow the people who always say, I can make you getting 9, I can make you getting 8. It's not like that. It is all about learning the techniques. So I can recommend blindly to anyone. You can just believe them, and you can get your desired score from you guys. It doesn't
Perfect.
mean whether you have 3 days, it doesn't mean whether you have 10 days. I think you guys have the potential to evaluate the students' condition and teach them accordingly and to get the desired score.
Perfect. So to
Yeah,
all the PT aspirants, those who are, in middle of somewhere, those who are thinking, maybe, overthinking, and those who are confused, right, where to go, where to not, then
yeah,
this person, Azath, is a perfect example that you can rely upon, right?
yeah,
Also, you can download our PT tutorials Telegram group
yeah, yeah, yeah. And also, yeah, I also got lots of good.
application. Do join that.
Hello, sorry, it's been stuck.
That's okay. Continue.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you go on? Yeah,
Okay. So yes, you can always come to our platform. You can download the Telegram group and get on board. There are lot many members, PT aspirants and the PT tutors who will help you out. All the mentors are there, all around there to help you out, and come and be a part of success. And we will help you through it. Thank you so much for sharing your wonderful experience, Azad. May God bless you and hope you will achieve all your dreams.
thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thanks for saving
Have a
my
nice
life
day.
in 3 days.
We are always glad to help
All right.
everyone. Have a nice day.
Thanks. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.